Yo, what's good? What's good? I'm going over my trades that I didn't take today, but I did see and I did like. The market was moving kind of ass, but it happens, you know? We got to take that into consideration that the market's not always going to do big ass moves. And look, I wasn't up at this time anyways. Catch this move. What I did see was at 9:30 ish. I caught a move, but give me 1 second. I'm getting a call. All right, so going over the trade that I saw, I did hesitate, and I don't like to take these type of trades so early into a market open. But as you see, price jumped up here, held here, and it started going down. And I'm not gonna chase. I never chase. I replace. Yeah, yeah. So once it stopped, kind of around that area. Hold on, my dog's fucking choking. Yeah, this dude's eating carrots and he's fucking choking and shit. Okay, but what I saw here too on the footprints was it was holding this level. I did see this for potential long, but it wasn't really moving how I liked. You know what I mean? It was consolidating, and then it started just fucking look from 9:30. Look at the market. It was just man, it was kind of ass in a way. Was there plays? Yeah, I did wait till later to see if something would come up, but nothing really did came up. I think around 11 something. As you can see, price is developing here, right? Price is developing, and then it comes up, tries to break above VWAP. Did break above VWAP right there. That's my VWAP, the yellow. Okay. It's trading down there, then it keeps coming up. I wouldn't have gotten along here because it was already like 11, and I didn't like the price action. I did want to go for shorts, but as you can tell, I was in a live chat where I think it comes down, then comes up, and then it just dips. So you see the volume building up, and it's just it's pretty interesting to see, real time. It's different, right? Pops up, dips down, dips, holds for a little bit, then it comes back and tests the low, goes past the low, and as a mean old jump. But again, it's not my trading times. It's not my trading times. Like if what ifs, this was a nice trade right here, and this was a nice trade right here, was my trading times. But this, it's not my trading times. I'm not even awake. Here, I'm already checked out. I'm not catching big moves. Here could have been a nice trade. But like I said, I was a little short bias. I thought it was gonna keep dipping down, and it did dip lower than that. But I didn't want to look for longs here because longs here wouldn't have been what I wanted. I want to catch these type of plays. A long here would have been cool up here, but to short here and then hold here, hold here, bro, it's not worth it. But this move would have been nice, just something like that, just something light work like that. There's two of those moves in this. There was two of these moves that I uh, like 20-point moves, 25-point moves from here to here, from here to here is like 20-point move almost 20 93 13, yeah, 20 points, and then from 93 to 21, 25, 30 point. So, and then this move here, there was money here, bro. There's money here, but I'm thinking they're defending this area, this value low. They're defending this area right here where we could possibly look for something. We could possibly look for something tomorrow around this area. If it trades below this area, holds up here, look, we could look for something around the high, which is horizontal ray around there, right? Doesn't have to be exact. It's just a what if. So we'll be looking into these ranges for tomorrow to see what's going on, right? And as you can see, let me actually put this at where it's at right now. See, it's still in that range, and this range, it's been transitioning. It's been trading here for a while, bro, and this is a decent range, decent range. So we can look for something around this area and target something around maybe this area. Yeah, just the high of that, or let's see, the all-time high, not all-time high, but the high, right? And then we'll do one right here low, and we'll see how it acts during the night after our sesh, and we'll figure that out tomorrow. All right, thank you for listening. Peace.